When searching for a ducted heat pump for your hot and dry climate, it's essential to consider factors such as model sizing, matched system considerations, and climate-specific requirements. Look for systems with high CO2 ratings and features like humidity control and variable compressor capacity. Proper model sizing and matched system considerations are critical for optimal performance and efficiency. Consult with a professional to determine the best system for your home and climate, taking into account factors such as ductwork, electrical service, fuel, and local parts support. By following these guidelines, you can find the perfect ducted heat pump for your home and enjoy efficient and comfortable heating and cooling year-round.